Assalomu alaykum hammaga, YouTube kanalimiz obunachilari. Bugun sizlar bilan biz Ronaldoni olishga harakat qilamiz. Bu 2275 tanga. Husanov to'laymi yoki Ronaldonimi? Kimni olaylik? Kommentga davay. Hozir men 1 yerda o'ynadim. Rudiger, Güler, Galetakar, Do'Ulikasi jarohatladi. Buning uchun men qasos olishim kerak. Buni boshqa qo'yaveray. Endi biz o'yinlarni boshladik. Murabbiyni boshlagan narsalarni ko'rganman.
They've taken it down the wing. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
20 metre o'tdi. Hammalarga rahmat deb aytib qolaman.
Now it's Diaz.
Yana buni o'tib taqsaman, shu video ikkinchi qismi
He's
chiqadi.
found an opening. Wins the ball.
Varatamda Kurtova 80 turlik akanjim bor. O'tgan videoda olganman. Ko'rgan bo'lsalaring agar ko'rganlar biladi.
Helps it on. He times his run badly. It's offside. The replay will give us a closer look. Goes long.
Gilangan oldim.
Good tackle by
Faqat
Zidane.
videoga olmadim.
Throw taken long. Now it's Diaz. That's a crack. Dumfries tackles. Volleyed on. Is this a goal? And goals been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. Mia with the ball. That was a bad pass. Whipped in with pace. He's got control of the ball. He's taking the ball out wide. Pass down the wings. Headed upfield. They've won control of the ball. Won the ball. Great dribbling. It's a
Yıldız
goal.
Madrid
This
tuttu mu?
tennis.
Az qanday gol urdi? Yıldız Madrid tuttu mu? Bilmezsin.
It's a
Yıldız
play,
Madrid
but it's a great
tuttu.
finish. Oh, let's see it again. He was far out, but picked his spot. Target.
Yıldız Madrid tuttu mu? Mete gol pas. Böyle kalım.
He unleashed that power.
Bunu derlese dikenim hatta yazılgan ekan sarışlı yozib qo'ygan bo'lakan. Do'stlar,
Game.
reklamani
Sure
o'tkazib
it
yubordim.
stays that way.
Birinchi time, half time tugadi.
Lovely passing here.
Full time.
Tries a long shot.
Gol. Juno.
Class finish. That's his second goal. He slipped for the
Double
ball but
qildi.
missed.
Double.
A careless pass there.
Ronaldoni olishga harakat qilaman. 30 ta obunachi
Oh, well
va
intercepted.
Ronaldo bilan
Good defending.
ko'rsataman.
Oh, he did
30 ta
really well
obunachi
there. He
qo'yganman.
can't miss. Some strong tackles. It looks like it's going to be one of those physical games. Some all-round sloppy passing today from this team.
Stopuna çıkıp boylar sizlerden. İltimasım.
He's shaping to shoot.
Videoga
Great
like
save.
ve abone olmaylar.
Elsewhere it looks like they're firmly in control of their cup time. Here's his chance.
Do'stlar, jahon
No goal.
izlatib
To wait
o'tish
for his hat-trick.
jahon chempionati boshlandi va kecha Ispaniya bilan kimdir qaysidir davlat o'ynadi, kim yutgan bilmayman. Bu payt hamma uxlaydi, men ham uxlaganman.
Akanji wins it.
Akam ko'rgan, endi akamdan so'rab ko'raman.
Good defending there.
Bu montaj
Now it's Diaz. And he hits it.
montaj qilish kerak emas. Bunday tagi yozib qo'yapman xolos do'stlar. Xo'sh, David Soria ekan uning darvozaboni. Lekin esa Thibaut Courtois.
He's played it long.
Zirlandiyami, Niderlandiyami o'sha davlatdan.
Is there time for a
Lekin
consolation goal? Their
Germaniyadan
fans haven't had much to cheer. Is this the moment? That strike was off target.
Hozir ko'raychi. Bu Germaniyanikimi bayrog'i yo'q. Bu Germaniyaniki bas. 2 metr ekan. Thibaut Courtois ekan. Thibaut Courtois 2 metr. 2 metr o'ygan, nima qilishni bilmayman. 2 metr o'y.
Strong tackle.
O'zbekistonda eng katta odam 2 o'yin ekan. O'zbekistonda bas. O'sha
He
dunyo
loves to
bo'yicha
run with
2
the ball.
o'yin.
A golden
Ikkinchi o'rinda
chance.
Courtois bo'lsa kerak.
Soria, great
Men
save.
bilmadim. Diaz ketdi.
It's whipped into the box. That sailed
Havertz
wide of the
ketdi.
goal. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
O'z atvorot ketmoqda. Gila.
Volleyed forward.
Gila. Xo'sh. Gili.
And the referee blows for full time. They progress through to the next stage of the competition.
Qo'mitadan eng yaxshi futbolchi. Hozir reklamani ko'raman. Mana bo'ldi. Va yana 18 yosh bo'ldi. Undan keyin Real Madridga qarshi o'ynayman ekan do'stlar. Real
This team
Madridga
should
olaman.
win in.
Do'stlar, yana biz qaytdik. Endi Real Madridga qarshi o'ynaymiz ekan. Mana endi almashtirib olamiz. Bularga tushiramiz endi. Bir xil bo'lsa kerak. Endi bilmadim. Endi Akanjini shu o'yinga shikka qo'yib turamiz. Ulardan Janek TRVP SFBS SFRVPSB endi Real Madridga qarshi o'ynaveramiz. Bular
Lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. And the away team have gone with this lineup. And he's won it back for his team.
Courtois ham tushdimi hozir?
That's great determination. Can he put it away? A poor finish, and it hits the side netting. It's getting worse. It started to rain. What effect will that have on the match? Akanji wins it.
Akanji Campbell.
A misplaced pass.
Eslatib o'tmoqdan hozir futbolchi oladigan vaqtlar keldi. Yo'qsa har yil yozda shunday bo'ladi.
Now, here's an update. There's been an early goal in that important game. Rudiger with a challenge.
Gila. Alexander-Arnold. Trent Alexander-Arnold.
He's waiting to pull the trigger.
Do'stlar, eslatib o'tmoqdan kanalimizda yangilar obuna bo'lyapsizlar. Iltimos. Courtois tepdi, Chapaqay.
Uses his head.
Akanjiga pas bermoqchi.
He's normally so good at tackling, but he got it wrong there.
Machado Alexander-Arnold.
He dribbles the ball forward. Mbappe. Oh, he was a bit too eager there. So he's been called back for offside.
O'ziga paslayamiz.
Really good possession here.
Akanji.
He's got the ball at his feet. The ball's gone into touch.
Niko pas sariq kartalilarda ketdi. Ko'rganmisizlar? Ko'rmaganlar ko'rib qolsin.
He rose up to win the ball. Good defending there.
Valverde, Mbappe.
Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball.
Xo'sh.
Will we see a goal? This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up on the pitch? They make an impact though in this second half. Carreras in possession.
Xo'sh, Pedro.
Oh, well timed.
Pedro ket. Az Diaz yo'qda.
Camavinga in possession. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Juniordan Valatada. Courtois bo'lsa bo'lmaydi.
Passed well. A badly mistimed challenge there. And here's Bellingham on the run. A goal in the other cup game. The losing team must try and find a way back and fast. It's level. It looks like this team are going for the win today.
Obuna bo'linglar.
Time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal.
Real Madrid
The manager's making a
tomoniga
change here.
Rodrigo o'yinga yana ketdi.
He loves to run with the ball. A golden chance.
Real Madrid yo'qqa endi.
That's his second goal.
Dalasa Muxtorov, Akanji. Ikkinchi golni
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
urdimi? Ikkinchi golni
Not be passing well.
Bu hakam
Keep
cho'g'uladi,
making
kana?
mistakes.
Choptirmoqchi.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
Kamavinga.
Now it's Vinicius.
Xo'sh.
Oh, there's an opening here. Oh,
Dualar
he saved it.
yoshlar. Erik
Camavinga in
Militao,
possession.
Camavinga, Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo
Dean
Moura,
Howson.
Hutchinson, Butera, Mendy.
Corday with the ball.
Xayrullo Hamidov bo'lib kelibdi.
This team
Iya,
really
pakai
are
gurungan.
controlling the game.
Maradona jinni o'lyapti.
He's played it
Shu
long.
gol bo'lsa like. Gol ana.
What a stunning goal.
Nechidan
He
soldim
finds the
hozir?
back of the net with ease.
Goli.
An outstanding
Yuli
volley.
goli.
The ball struck so sweetly.
Necha o'rtadan soppan do'stlar. O'rtadan chap oyoqda. Deymanlar mana. Mana to'p roppa rosa o'rtadan. Mana to'p. Necha o'rtaga 1 santimetr nariyoqda. Lekin juda uzoqdan
It's
soldim.
Howson.
O'qigan. 2-0 bo'ldi.
Arda Güler.
Arda Güler. Xo'sh. Camavinga.
Missed challenge there.
Real Madridga yutqazib qo'yaman deb o'yladim, lekin aksincha ekan.
What clumsy challenge.
Qizil beradi, desam yaxshi bo'ldi lekin.
Plays the free kick
Real
long.
Madrid 3-0 ga ketdi.
I wouldn't be surprised if he gets the player of the match.
Luniyadan agar Kurtuva bo'lganda bitta gol o'tkazmasdi. Bu Lunin ekan.
That was a
Kurtuva
good
ketdi,
victory.
menda borimizga shunaqa qilyapti do'stlar. Bitta Akanji. Bitta gol. Endi yana reklama kelib qoldi. Mana do'stlar, boshlandi. Nihoyasiga yetdi. Hammaga xayr.